Hi students, today we can study adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix? The adjoint of a square matrix A equal to matrix Aij n by n. Square matrix means number of columns and number of rows will be equal. Is defined as the transpose of a matrix Aij n by n, where Aij, capital letter Aij is the cofactor of the element Aij. Then yesterday was studied what is cofactor. Then we can see one example. One matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. It is a square matrix because number of rows and number of columns equal. 2 by 2 matrix, isn't it? Then how can find out adjoint of this matrix means first we can find out cofactors, all cofactors. A11. A11 means minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. If you take A11, just leave it first column, first row, then remaining A22. You will get minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1, that is plus 1 only, A22. Then like that you can find out A12 also. You will get one answer, isn't it? Then same like that find out A21, then A22. First we will find out all the cofactors of elements. Then adjoint of A. Adjoint representing Adj A. Okay, adjoint of A equal to, you can write transpose of this cofactors matrix. This side cofactor matrix A11, A11, then A12, then A21, then A22 equal to. What is transpose? Transpose means if you interchange columns and rows in a matrix, you will get transpose. Just interchange columns and rows. In here, this first row we can make as first column A11, A12. In here, that is row, isn't it? I made as column. Then second row, make it as second column. Look, now we got one matrix. This is adjoint of given matrix. Now we can see exercise 4.5, question number 1. Find adjoint of each of the matrices. In here, one matrix given, that is 2 by 2 square matrix. We have to find out adjoint of this given matrix. First step, let give one name. Capital letter A equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Then find out cofactors of all elements. The first A11. A11 means cofactor of first row and first column, this element, cofactor of 1. We can write minus 1 all raised to this 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Then leave it first column and first row. Then which number remaining? 4, isn't it? Into 4. Then minus 1 all square. That will be plus 1. Plus 1 into 4, we will get 4. Next, A12. A12 minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Then first row and second column, just delete. Then what is remaining? 3, isn't it? Equal to minus 1 all cube. 1 plus 2 is 3, isn't it? Minus 1 all cube. What will get? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That will be minus 1 answer, isn't it? Then minus 1 into 3 will get minus 3. Next, A 2 1. minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 1. A21 means this number 3, isn't it? That means second row and first column. Second row and first column. Then the first column and second row just delete. What is remaining? Only 2. Yeah, right? Into 2 equal to minus 1 whole cube. That will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Then A22. A22 means second row and second column. This element. First write minus 1, 2 plus 2. Delete second row and second column. Just delete. Then remaining what? Only 1. Right? 1. Equal to minus 1, 2 plus 2. That is 4. Minus 1 all raised to 4. Plus 1 equal to into 1. 1. So then, when you find out cofactor, before you have studied, we have to take determinant. It's like, isn't it? Then only one element, one number means no need to take determinant. If you take determinant of 4, you will get 4 only, isn't it? Then only one element means no need to take determinant. Directly you can write. That is not a matter. Then, a question, find adjoint. Right. A, D, G, adjoint of A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. That is 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, then minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1 equal to transpose of this matrix. We can write first row, make it as first column, 4 minus 3. Then second row, make it as second column, minus 2, 1. Matrix 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. This is our adjoint matrix. Now we can see question number 2. Find adjoint of each of the matrix. Same. We have to find out adjoint of this matrix. And then first step, give one name. Let A equal to A, B, anything you can give. I just give one A. Capital letter A equal to this matrix. And then first find out all cofactors. We can write cofactors. Cofactors. A 1 1 equal to minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. Determinant A 1 1 means just leave it first row, first column. That is 1 1. First row, first column. Just delete. Then remaining 3 5 0 1. 3 5 0 1 equal to minus 1 all square. That will be plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. You will get plus 1. Then multiple. 3 into 1. 3 minus 0 into 5, 0 equal to 3. Next, A, this element, that is 1, 2 equal to minus 1, 1 plus 2, determinant. Just delete first row, second column. What is the remaining? 3, 2, 5, minus 2, 1. 2, 5, minus 2, 1 equal to minus 1 all cube. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, you will get minus 1. Minus 1. Then 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 5. Minus 10 you will get. Again one more minus is there, common minus, isn't it? Minus into minus we can write directly plus 10 equal to, what is the answer? 2 plus 10, 12. 12 into minus 1, minus 12. Then A 1 2 got it. We can find out A 1 3. This element cofactor of 2. Minus 1 1 plus 3 determine. Just delete third column and first row. 2 3 minus 2 0 equal to, what will get in here? Plus 1, isn't it? Minus 1 all raised to 4. That will be plus 1. Then 2 into 0, 0 minus 2 into 3. minus 6 minus minus plus 6. Then check in second row, that is A, second row, first column, A2 1 minus 1 2 plus 1 determinant. Just delete this second row and first column. What is remaining? Minus 1 2 0 1 minus 1 2 0 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube. We'll get minus 1 into, then minus 1 into 1 minus 1, then 0 minus 0 into 2 0. What will you get in here? Minus 1 into minus 1, you will get plus 1. Next, A21 got it. You can find out A22. A22 means minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 2. Determinant, this element. Second column, second row, just delete, then remaining 1 2, then minus 2 1 minus 2 1 equal to minus 1 all raised to 4, that will be plus 1, no need to write, then 1 into 1 1, then common minus, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, common minus, plus that will be equal to 5. Then A2 3 minus 1 2 plus 3 determinant 2 3, this element. Second row and third column, delete, then remaining 1 minus 1, then minus 2 0 equal to, what you will get? Here minus 1, because 2 plus 3 5, isn't it? Odd number means you will get minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 0, then common minus, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 equal to minus 1 into minus 2, you will get 2. Then you can find out this cofactor of minus 2. That is, I am writing in here, no space, A 3 1, A3 1. How can I write? Minus 1 all raised to 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, 3 plus 1 into, okay, determinant. Delete third row and first column. What will you get? Minus 1 2 3 5 equal to minus 1 all raised to 4, that will be plus 1, isn't it? Then directly you can do minus 1 into 5 minus 5, and minus 3 into 2 6 equal to minus 11. Then A32 means this element, minus 1 3 plus 2 determinant, delete second column and third row, remaining 1 2 2 5 1 2 2 5 equal to multiple 1 into 5. What will you get in here? Minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1. Then 1 into 5 5 minus 2 into 2 4 equal to, what will you get? 5 minus 4 1, isn't it? 1 into minus 1, you will get minus 1. Then last element, A 3 3 equal to minus 1 3 plus 3 determinant, delete, what will you get? 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 3 2 3 equal to, this will be plus 1, then 1 into 1 into 3 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, then this will be plus 2 equal to 5. Now all the cofactors we got it. Now we can write adjoint. Adjoint A. What is adjoint A? Transpose of matrix first A11 we got 3, isn't it? Okay. A12 we got minus 12. Okay. Minus 12. Then A13 6. Then in second row A21 1. Then A22 is 5. Okay. A23 we got 2. A31 minus 11. Then A32 minus 1. Then A33 5. Just write what are the cofactors. You got it as a matrix. Then transpose of this matrix, interchange rows and columns. We can write 3 minus 12 6. That is first row I made as first column. Then second row 1 5 2 made as second column. Then third row minus 11 minus 1 5 I made as third column. Then we got one matrix. This is adjoint of given matrix. Now we can see question number 3. Verify A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to determinant of A into I. I means identity matrix. Then one matrix given in here, we have to check, we have to verify this condition, given condition. Then first give one name. Let A equal to given matrix. Then we can find out adjoint of A. For that, find out cofactors. All cofactors we have to find out. First A11 equal to minus 1, 1 plus 1. A11, that means first row, first column, this element, cofactor of 2. Then delete first row and first column. You will get minus 6 equal to determinant of minus 6. Anything you can write. Okay, directly also you can write because only one element. Minus 1 all square, that will be plus 1. Then plus 1 into minus 1, minus 6, you will get minus 6. A21 minus 1, 2 plus 1. This element, isn't it? Delete second column, then first row. What is remaining? Minus 4. Equal to minus 1 whole cube, that will be minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4, you will get 4. Next, A21 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 2, 1, second row and first column. This element, cofactor of this element. Then first column, second row, delete, then remaining 3. Equal to what you will get? Minus 1 whole cube, that will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Next, A22 minus 1, 2 plus 2. This element, minus 6. Delete second column, second row. What is remaining? 2. You will get. Now we can write adjoint. Adjoint of A, that is transpose of matrix minus 6, 4, minus 3, 2 equal to change that column and rows. Minus 6, minus 3, 4. Interchange rows and columns with this much. First column I made first row, second column I made second row. Now we got adjoint of A. Now we can see first part. A into adjoint of A equal to, first write A, given matrix, that is matrix 2, 3 minus 4 minus 6 into adjoint of A. We got it, adjoint of A, that is minus 6 minus 3 4 2. Then you can multiple. How can multiple? First row and first column. 2 into minus 6, 2 into minus 6, then plus 3 into 4, 3 into 4. Then again first row, second column, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2. Then after use second row and first column, minus 4 into minus 6 plus minus 6 into 4. Then second row, second column, minus 4 into minus 3 plus minus 6 into 2. Equal to, what you will get? 2 into minus 6, that will be minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12, 0 will get. In here, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, then 3 into 2, 6. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. This part also. Minus 4 into minus 6, plus 24, then minus 6 into 4, minus 24, plus 24, minus 24, 0. This part, what you will get? Minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12, then in here 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 12 minus 12, so we got 0, 0, 0, 0. Then second part, again adjoint of A into A. First write adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means minus 6 minus 3 4 into A. A means this matrix 2 3 minus 4 minus 6. Then multiple matrix minus 6 into 2, first row and first column, minus 6 into 2 minus 12, then plus minus 3 into minus 4 will get plus 12. And then first row, second column, minus 6 into 3 minus 18, then minus 3 into minus 6 plus 18. 4 into 2, second row, first column, 4 into 2, 8, plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Then 4 into 3, 12, 2 into minus 6 minus 12. You will get 0, 0, 0, 0, all 0. Last part, determinant of A into I. Determinant of A into I. First find out determinant of A. A given, isn't it? What is A? A means 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6 into matrix. First take determinant of A. Then I means identity matrix with order 2. This matrix. Keep in mind, this is identity matrix. Find out determinant of this one. 2 into minus 6 minus 12, then minus 4 into 3 minus 12. 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, what do you get? Minus 12 minus minus plus, minus 12 plus 12, 0. Using by 0, multiple all the elements. You will get 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1. We got 3 answers. 0 matrix, 2 by 2 order. In here also 0 matrix. In here also 0 matrix. Then can write therefore A into adjoint of A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to determinant of A into I. Verified. This is our answer. Then next question, that is question number 4. Similar question you can do